As you guys might have known, we've been having a lot of rain. We had like 5 or 6 days straight of rain, and as a result of that, we got a whole bunch of snow. And Sister Wolf's not feeling that great. Kind of enjoying it, but not really. It's beautiful out here. It's nice and crisp. It's probably about, I think, 36 degrees, and sun's out, so it's beautiful. Color is nice, and the mountains are just white. You guys see in the background here, and the mountains is just so beautiful right now. Blue skies and snow. Sister Wolf was not feeling that great. She got sick last night, so she's trying to have fun, but her body's telling her no. So she's out there with Mama Wolf. It's being carried, trying to keep her comfortable, keep her warm. I mean, she still likes the snow. She's throwing it earlier, but hopefully she doesn't catch another fever. So let's go have fun. Better run. Ah, gotcha. If I haven't mentioned it, we are actually in GLEN, close to Cherry Valley, California. We actually went to the Lavender Festival in Cherry Valley. I'm gonna put the link down right here so you guys can check it out. And also, we also came here and hiked. I don't know when that was, but we came to hike about maybe a year and a half ago or so. And there weren't any snow then, but it was still cold. So I'll also link that below so you guys can check it out. Again, if you guys have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up. So I'll see you guys in a bit. You okay, Sister Wolf? Are you sleepy? Are you tired? You're not feeling that good? Huh? Where you at? What are you doing?
Playing in snow. Playing
in the snow? You like the snow? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you like about it? Look, oh, let me see your foot. You got snow stuck. Oh. So you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go see where we can sled down. We cannot sled down here. Let's go check it out, and maybe we could fly AIR MANOK and see how this looks on his point of view. So let's check it out. around the streets. We're gonna go sledding Brother Wolf right here. And man, that weather turned and changed pretty fast. It got dark all of a sudden. There's a big clouds right there. Looks nice though. Alright, let's go sledding. It's like that, right?
Yay, I fell down.
You ready? Oh man, this powdered snow is starting to become ice. It's still fun though. I'm still making the most out of this time that we have. A lot of kids are playing too.